don't mind this hand. This is just my friend. One of my friends. That's the other one. She's just holding me because I turned into a micro size. And no funny joke with her holding me. Oh, there's the other one. Yeah. So,
I have to help him during the video.
Yeah, so, let's see her ride down this hill with the scooter.
Okay.
Or I'll slice you with my sword. Yes. I got my sword, guys. Yeah. It's pretty nice. If you didn't watch my last video where I told you that I turned into a Lego, you should go watch that down below. Yes. Yes, that rhymes.
Wait.
Oh, looks like their YouTube channel's gone. What's your guys' name so I can put in my video?
Amelia Peyton.
Oh, dang it. She dropped. Ugh.
I am sorry that you're so little and so wobbly. Stop moving.
It's impossible to stop moving. I'm a Lego brick.
Wow. Get out your Lego sense.
My Lego sense?
Yeah. 1 minute.
I have 2 swords, you know.
I don't care. Plastic problem. Your Lego.
Well, I guess these won't do any damage since they're made out of plastic. What's your channel's name so I can put it in my video? Okay.
We are just starting, so we don't know.
Just to tell you one thing. My channel has 6 subscribers and they won't go to your channel at all. Take me over here. This really sucks. Oh, if I didn't tell you guys this, if you didn't watch my other videos, I'm a candy dealer. Yeah, I know it's pretty funny. I still sell candy while I'm a Lego.
We sell milk and stuff. Well, it's a restaurant. He sells candy, but I. So we're in both of these videos at once.
So
No.
So just tell you one thing. This is my first vlog with my friends, including the one that's holding me. So wait 1 second. Yeah. Yeah.
Are you going in?
No, I was sitting on the porch.
Okay. We're playing Marco Polo, just so you know,
Okay.
okay? So when I say Marco,
Okay.
you hear me?
Yes.
When I say Marco,
Polo. Just a little game we guys play. So this is my first vlog with my friends, including these friends. Hey, your voice really hasn't been in any of the video yet, so just show your voice. Hey guys, it's me, Zoe. Yeah, yeah. She doesn't want anybody to know her real name's Rebecca. You know that, right? So just telling you, bye.